loctician.
Hey.
Okay, Marissa. The jack of all trades.
Y'all our witness.
So
okay?
this woman gonna tell me. So I had to come in today for repairs. Do y'all know what that is? So I've been Sisterlocks for over a year.
Mm-hmm.
I'll be 2 years in May.
Tell your story.
I had to come in for some repairs. So she gonna tell me that if I don't bend and I don't braid and bend, that she gonna kick me out. That she gonna kick me out of a chair. What they doing that at? I'm not finna be kicked out. She put all of this in here. I didn't know. Nobody else did this but her. Look at this. Look at all of this. Y'all see all this? Look. You see all that? She did this. So what do I look like sitting in somebody else's chair because she did this? Now, have I been good the whole entire time and followed the policy? No, but who does? Who follows the policy the entire time? Tell me. Plug in. Because I'm not sitting in nobody else's chair. But the what? What's jack of all trades?
She ain't even gonna sit down so I complete my case too. Sit here and let's talk to the folks. Okay. All right. So here's the deal, y'all. When you get your new locks established, you're supposed to braid and band. How do you braid and band?
Okay.
Hold on. How do you braid and band? You gather your locks. You braid halfway, like so, all the way to the end. All the way to the end. And then you flip it down and put elastic band around that. Make sure you leave enough space so your fingers can go down there and wash. So you can wash the hair. But guess what? I used to tell them, twist and band.
Exactly. Right? So that's where I started. I was twisting and banding.
And during consultation, we talked about twisting and banding. And this is 2-strand twist. 2-strand twist. This
and
is
then braid at the end.
2-strand twist all the way to the end. Turn it down and bend it. I found out somebody was just doing this.
What? That is not true, girl. You messing up my part.
I asked you, show me how you twisting and bending, and you told me I do this to the end.
But that's not the point. The point is
wait.
Okay, go ahead. Let you please.
See, because I decided I'm just gonna tell everybody to braid and bend. Don't 2-strand twist and bend. Braid and bend. So y'all, if you want to find out why you're doing braiding and bending, she started. So she has very curly hair. Okay.
Well, so no, it ain't about the curls. It's about what happened years ago. So I do have some different type of blood in my system, and so that's the reason why I have hair that is very, very fine and curly.
Okay.
So with that being said, and then I have a lot of gray. So what happened was, you see this gray? Look, y'all see all that? I'll be 50 soon. And you know what? I'm not trying to go all gray.
Us, y'all.
So she told me I could get my hair colored. That I could get my hair colored after what? A year. So I waited a year.
I said it should take about a year to 2 years for your hair to lock. But your hair will tell us what it wants to do.
Them braids was telling me something else. Listen, though.
When 1 year came, I told her, you're not locked. You can't die.
No, but she said that I could not die. She said I could rinse.
I never said you could rinse, because guess what? Nope. I never said you could rinse. You know why? Because I told you, I said, let me reach out to my Sisterlocks.
That's not true.
No senior trainer. And when I talked to her, she said absolutely nothing, because the hair is not locked. It's new. And you know what she said to me? She said, if she's not going to listen, you're going to have to fire her.
And who is this lady?
And I told her.
Who is her? Who is that?
And I said, I can't fire her. She's my friend. She said, oh, I don't do my business with, I don't run friendship.
Who is she?
That's what she told me. Yeah, so I said, okay, I found out about it. You're not locked, don't do it. And she said, it's just a rinse. I'm like, okay, if you do it, you're on your own. She goes to a hairdresser. She gets her rinse done, and then she has
And
slippage.
it looks so much better. Cause
it looks so much better because we just did repairs.
I'm talking about that gray was looking better. It was gone for a little bit.
No, the gray's gone, of course. It looks great. Girl, it looks great anyway.
But I didn't do any color to the ends. It was just in the...
And it caused slippage. It just caused slippage. It caused slippage. So now we're doing repairs. We've spent 3.5 hours. We just did the top here.
Girl, I don't even know where my bill is.
Just the top.
Honey.
And next time she comes, we'll do the back. But
it's okay.
That's what you do. That's what you get for putting rinse in your hair that's not locked.
But at the same time, asked her how many locks did she put in this head. It was almost 500 locks. Y'all see this?
It's a lot of locks.
It's almost 500 locks.
If you don't do what you're supposed to do, I might have to pass you on.
500.
That's all I'm saying.
You hear?
Y'all tell her to
do
what she's supposed to do.
I'm not gonna be passed on. I don't get passed around. I'm loyal, honey. I stay loyal. That's what. No. Spray my head so I can get out of here.
Okay.
Cause no.
All right, we're gonna put some locks in here. Help is fine hair to lock.
And that's another thing I have to do. What is it called? Lock stay?
Lock set.
Lock set. Mm-hmm. And it does help.
Yeah.
And the ocean water, the salt water.
Mm-hmm.
So you can go dip in the ocean.
Go swim. Braid and band. Braid and band and go swim.
So if for some reason she decides to put me out of this chair, we going to court.
No. If I put her out of this chair, any locticians out there?
We're going to court.
Y'all want this woman?
We're going to court because this has to be official divorce. So whatever they call it, when, a child is being emancipated from the parents or whatever, this is what's going to happen because this is my chair. So
she said that's her chair. Okay. Anyway, so I came to plead my case. She came to plead her case. We're out.
Peace.
Uh-oh. How do I get out?